What I'm going to do is demonstrate a program that I copied from a video that I watched on Great Courses Plus. This program is written in Python, and what you're looking at right now on the screen is the PyCharm editor. Up here is where the program resides, and you can see this is a very long program. There's about 199 lines in this program. So I can't take credit for writing the program. The professor in this video, Dr. John Keyser, is the one that described the program. Simply what I did is I had to copy it from there and to debug it because I didn't always get it typed in correctly. So what the program does is I'm gonna start it right here by pressing this little green key right here. Okay, so what it does is it paints this board, and notice there are rows that are numbered over here. So rows are numbered from the bottom starting at 1 through 8, and then the columns are labeled from A through H. Okay, now the goal of this game is to get three um, uh, letters in a row. So like right here, 3 letters in a row, here's 3 letters in a row right here, or 3 letters in a column. And so right here you've actually got 4 in a column. So what I'm going to do is, in order to increase my score, notice my score down here is 0. Okay, and it's asking me to enter a move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this U to the left. Okay, now the way I do that, this U is in column D right here, and it's in row 4. So the way you do this is you type in the move down here. So again, I'm going to go from D to C. So I want to do a D and then row 4, and I want to move it to the left, so I'm going to put an L. So that's how you describe the move. So it's D4L. So D4L. So what it should do is it should move that U over here to the left. So hit enter. Okay. Now notice my score has jumped up to 22. Okay, now I can enter my next move. So what I've got to do is I've got to look for something where I can get 3 in a row. Well, look right here. I've got 4 T's, but I've got this Q right here. Let's move this T up. So I'm going to go C4U. C4U. So it goes to C4. C4 is right here, and I'm going to move it up. So that's what the U is for. So if you hit enter, okay, now I've got 27. Now, when you do that, it erases that string, puts in new letters in. So I'm going to stop there. Hopefully you enjoyed my video.